Cheers!
Guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Trisha. It's the girl Trisha, guys, and Leonard. So people, what we're doing, it's Saturday and we're kind of bored, so we're heading out. We're going to one of the most it's a common place. What is a common, but most families basically
Our hangout spot.
Our hangout spot basically. So we're going to Camana Bay in George Town Camana Islands, just to hang out, just to smell the fresh air. It's about after 4. You can see the sky. Oh no, it's alright. So 15 minutes to 5, people. So darkness will hit right about. We're just gonna just walk and take in some fresh air and have a little bit of fun. Don't be tired of the house, people. So come along with us so they can go and enjoy the scenery. But darkness start fall up quick now, babe, because if it's nearly 5 o'clock, by the time you quint, Papa, you're well relaxed, sweetie Kai. Sweetie Kai is well relaxed, guys. Say hello. Hey, he's drinking his red juice. Guys, looking on sweetie Kai. She wondering why I can't get some of that red juice. Alright, people, so stay tuned. So guys, we just reached Camana. I think it's 5 o'clock and the time is already dark, right? Usually people usually darkness not fall till 7:30, but we have a cold front over the island. As such, the time is
Not just cold front, baby. The time just darker, quicker.
yeah, I think because in a winter time, you know, just the reason. Yep, so we reach. Hopefully we have at least half an hour out of little blue skies before the time get really dark. We reach Camana Bay, something going on there. So how are people them a doing? A party? People them a dance, guys. I'm gonna see themselves on YouTube later. Well, look at sweet girl Araya. She's so cute. Yes, she and mask up face daddy. And Caro, where are we going? Alright guys, so we're just stepping out out of this year. Come Papa, hold on.
Eh? What I say?
Never secure. Come.
Hey.
Eh? We just see my walk and she was gone.
I was looking out for any place again.
Just some pre-K book. I don't see have no name or so. You think I must go look?
Sure, what's there?
Old mommy's hand, Papa. Alright guys, I think we're gonna check out the bookstore. I need some pre-K book for Sweetie Kai. I can still smell strong coffee, Leo. Smell nice. Come, let's look. Look some more. Come, Papa. Old mommy's Anne. Old mommy's Anne, Papa. Carol's getting very excited. Look at him. It's a red truck. You have 2 red trucks at home, Papa. Come. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, dance. Dance, dance. Come, let mommy hug you.
So choose the reference. Oh, not putting song.
So 3 to 5. I'll be over there, so.
0 to. So over here, so.
But that be, they may look like it, you know, say workbook mark on them, do you? But what you say?
But I want to see this is what guide to maths. Wait. And I say. No, sir, they mustn't have advanced.
Look at me. If you look from proper age.
That's not gone far past coverage. Although I might have underestimate him.
We must basically this a +3.
No, it does add plus. I end up 3 today. You know, really. I tell her the age. Grade 1, kindergarten.
Kindergarten.
Pre-K. Oh, it's brain quest.
Alright.
4-year-old. Oh, them have it something like this.
Yeah, it would that be?
Oh, yeah, man. See something like that.
What is it?
Now trace the numbers again. Buckle up. Starting machine.
What is it?
Teach them song. What am I tracing?
But 4 to 5 not sound seem big.
Maybe a pre-K. And Carol, very advanced. Not much, 2?
2.5.
So Carol, we know R. We know, Carol know all this something.
Let's go. So
Fall down, let's go.
Come, good job. Good job.
Let's go.
We got book.
Come, book. Right,
Good boy.
book. Hold your book, hold your book.
All your book. It's Carol's book.
Your book.
Carol's book.
Come, let's go, let's go.
All your book, Carol. It's Carol's book. Yes, guys, this is Camana Bay.
Let's open the parking lot. I need to park down to the road.
Invincible.
Carol, dance to mommy. Hey, hey, hey. Alright, daddy gone. Get some ice cream, people. Then people open the door. We go. Yes, they're gonna open. Thank you. You can try the macadamia nut, maybe adventurous. Macadamia nut.
She want ice cream too here? She want ice cream too.
Macadamia.
Macadamia nut, something like so.
Yeah. Be adventurous.
Huh? How many scoop you want?
One.
1 scoop.
I'm gonna bab it before, I'm gonna know if it's nice or not. People, but we're heading down to the waterfront where the lake is to eat our ice cream and have our pina colada. Harry, you're such a good boy. Papa behaving himself, you know, guys. My ice cream just a melt.
Here we go.
What's that? Lake. You're saying swim. Want to swim? Yes, you do. We can't swim in the lake. The lake is dirty, Caro. That's not the ocean. So guys, I'm gonna try the pina colada for the first time. It has been melting.
For the first time,
Yes.
pina colada.
And the pina colada, sorry. The macadamia ice cream. For the first time. This is a place I know see everybody up here on the pandora that eat this place corona and I keep a camera man lie. And keep it over here. Only we have our mask. Everybody are on the pandora and I play. Nah, keep a camera. You go like a corona a country where corona keep you. Oh, but you're so nice. The ice cream tastes like vanilla and the nut tastes sweet. What about it again?
Guys, thank you so much for tuning in with the We Are Young family. We really do hope that you enjoyed this video. This is how we spent our Saturday afternoon. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button down below. Please tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about We Are Young family. Until next time, bye guys.